Hey, it's Danny Spanks. I'm at the Kern County Animal Shelter, 3951 Fruitvale Avenue. Can you see the puppy dog butt? How's it going? It's Danny Spanks. I'm back at the Kern County Animal Shelter, 3951 Fruitvale Avenue. Time for another dog blog. KRAB.com, brought to you by Critters Without Litters, Kern County's most trusted and affordable spay-neuter clinic. Look them up online at critterswithoutlitters.org. So for this dog blog, we have Rex. He's young, he's friendly, he's energetic, he's handsome. I've had my eye on Rex for a while. If you saw my last Facebook Live video from here at the shelter when I was doing the walkthrough, Rex was one of the guys that I mentioned. I'm like, hey, I've got my eye on you. I want to get you on a dog blog. So here he is. Dog for the dog blog is a big male German Shepherd. His name is Kevin. A few weeks ago I mentioned how they had, just at the time, just a ton of German Shepherds here at the shelter on Fruitvale. Most of those dogs have been adopted at this point, but Kevin was one of those German Shepherds I was talking about, and he is still here, so I wanted to do whatever I can to help him find a home. So this is Kevin.